The city is officially in her rainy season, and it's just weird because I've been isolated for the last few weeks, writing, creating, doing creative stuff. And I thought that coming to the end of March, it would, I would get to go and spend lots of time with friends and just hang out and like lots of sunlight. But the sun has just gone now, and it's just raining. And apparently, April showers are going to be a thing this year. So yeah. It's going to be a few more weeks of rain, and then spring, I think, is going to arrive in the city. How exciting. Come on, we're going for a walk. You see, you're just sitting there, all disobedience. Come on, Raffles. Come on. He's always keen. You're always keen, aren't you? I'm quite excited to try this out. I got this a few weeks ago. Yeah, and I think it's that geek in me. I love my ponchos because I don't like carrying umbrellas. So I'm going to try this out and see if it's actually good quality or not. And it's pretty light. And I think it's fairly big for a poncho, but yeah, I hope it fits the bill. I've always also had proper raincoats as a kid. I never used umbrellas. Everyone else around me was always using umbrellas. I never liked them. I don't know how they get this in here. It's so tight. I mean, how on earth do you fit? Ah, God. Oh, this looks. Ooh. Oh. Look at that. Cool. My head almost didn't make it through. A part of me wishes I had pockets. I want to get one of those Barber rain jackets, the really long ones, because I think I've got a rain jacket here as well from Barber, but I can't find my hood. I don't know where I put my hood. Come on, guys, we need to go. Come on. Come on. Yeah. The enthusiasm's gone, isn't it? No enthusiasm anymore. Come on, we need to walk in the rain. Can I have the pecan and salty sponges to take away? Sorry? No, thank you. I don't know if my dogs being city dogs has ruined them, but they were just so opposed to being wet. They were jumping over the puddles. They didn't want to run in the puddles. I don't know if I've coddled them too much and I've just treated them, because, you know, they're always driven everywhere, and I don't know if there's been too much pampering going on, because they were jumping over puddles. They didn't want to get wet, you know, and they didn't actually want to go out in the rain, which is crazy to me, because as a kid, I love being out in the rain, and the dogs I had as a kid loved being out in the rain as well. So these are some different dogs. Yeah, it was really funny. And like when we went into the pastry shop to get some pastries, they were just, you know, just all over the place, you know, trying to get the water off them. They wanted to go and sit down indoors. And I actually looked like a really bad dog owner, like, oh, you know, your dogs don't want to come out and you're making them go in the rain. I'm thinking, it's rain. It's not even cold rain. It's just rain. When did we all start being so afraid of rain? Hey, Raffles, when did you start being afraid of rain? And here they are looking all traumatized. I'm considering having wine, but I'm not sure that's such a good idea. Do I really want wine, or do I just want wine because it's raining? I'm going back to bed. I decided to do nothing else for the rest of the day. Sometimes it's just good to lie in bed on a rainy day, watch some TV with my dogs, and just listen to the raindrops falling and just relax and completely switch off from the world entirely. Right, see you in the next video. Bye.